How can I make more sales? So, okay, I could have said, how do I make more money? But sometimes money can feel like a loaded or dirty word to many business owners. So this is about making sales, getting new clients, and ultimately, if businesses are to thrive, sales and money needs to be made. So how do you make your sales currently? Is it through networking? Is it through Google? Is it through LinkedIn? So there are some quick fixes for sales, but that depends on your current audience, where you are in the market, what you're selling, what products and services you've got to offer. But the best approach to sales is consistency. And I was reminded of this lovely word by Jenny Proctor, a wonderful business connection who has a marketing practice. And she reminded me of the simplicity. I'll do simplicity like that behind sales. It all starts with marketing and marketing consistently. There is unfortunately no dark arts answer. Otherwise, everyone would be running their own business. It'd all be easy. And, there would be no challenges to it. So to make more sales, create a marketing plan. Make it a simple one. Even if you just start with one focus, one channel that you're really gonna throw yourself into and do it consistently. Once, twice is not enough to turn up to a networking event. Find one that works for you, sign up, and see it as a long-term marketing plan that you will do consistently, showing up, or whatever that avenue is for you. So what's your best marketing route that has worked once you've committed to with consistency? I'd love to hear from you.